Hey guys, welcome back to Yee's Kitchen. I'm so glad to see you all here today. It's a beautiful day out, but we are going to stay in and make us some delicious, hearty Asian chicken noodle soup. I am going to be making the noodles from scratch and you get to see the whole process. Let's get started. These are the ingredients you will need to make the Asian chicken noodle soup or kopia. To make the noodles for the soup, add the tapioca starch and rice flour into a large bowl. Mix the two dry ingredients together. Then add 1½ cup of hot boiled water. Knead the dough and dust it with tapioca flour. Knead until the dough is formed and then dust with additional tapioca flour. Then dust your work area with additional tapioca flour and place the dough onto the surface. Roll the dough into a log and cut it into 6 even chunks. You can use a pasta maker or a rolling pin to roll out and flatten each piece of dough. If you are using a pasta maker, set this to the highest thickness setting. Dust additional tapioca flour as needed to prevent the dough from sticking to the surface. Now take each chunk of dough and flatten it slightly, then roll it until they are flattened. Once all the dough chunks have been rolled out and flattened, use a knife to cut them into noodle strands. Dust additional tapioca starch onto the cut noodle strands to prevent the noodles from sticking together. Then cover the noodles with saran wrap and set aside. To make the broth, add 14 cups of water into a pot and add the chicken. Place some lemongrass into the pot and season with salt. Then bring this to a boil and cook it on medium-high for 20 minutes. Be sure to skim out any debris and foam that the meat releases to the top. Once the meat is cooked, take it out of the pot. Now add the noodles into the pot and boil them for about 20 minutes. Stir occasionally, being sure to scrape the bottom to prevent the noodles from sticking. Shred the chicken and discard all bones. You will know the noodles are cooked when they become translucent. Once the noodles are cooked, take it off the heat. Keep in mind, the noodles will continue to absorb the liquid and the soup will become thicker as it sits. To assemble the soup, ladle some of the soup into a bowl and add the desired amount of condiments and garnishments. I like to add to mine shredded chicken, fried garlic, green onions, cilantros, black peppers, chili oil, Sriracha sauce, and fish sauce. Then mix well and enjoy. All right, let's give this a try now that it's all stirred up together. That's delicious. Just the right amount of spiciness and full of flavor. And here you have it, a bowl of Asian chicken noodle soup. Now don't forget to subscribe for future quick and easy recipes. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!